What's up, MCA? I'm Sara Williams.
And I'm Gavin Lubeskie.
And in honor of National Slime Day,
we're making fluffy slime. So, what you need to make fluffy slime is you need glue, shaving cream, an activator, which we'll be using contact solution, and a spoon to mix.
Alright, so the first step, you're going to get your glue. You're going to open it up and pour it into whatever bowl you can find. We're just using plastic bowls. And you just kind of dump it all in there. Try and get as much as you can out, because the more the better. Oh no. Okay.
Oops.
And then after that,
so then your second step is you can get shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
Just wait for him.
However much you want. Okay.
I know how much to put.
Depending on how fluffy you want it, you could add more or less to your liking. And then you mix. Okay. And once you have it mixed, those two, we're gonna be doing contact solution.
How much do you put in? So I'm gonna stop.
Okay. Okay, stop for now. And you can kind of add more as you go in because you don't want to overactivate it. Yeah. And it should start forming together.
Ooh, it's working.
You know. I think I'm gonna add more. When you think it's ready, instead of mixing with the spoon, you can go in with your hands to get it even more mixed together. That wraps up making slime, MCA.
And in honor of National Slime Day, go home and make some slime.
It's so sticky.
Come on.